Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need a supported carrier and an active 4G plan before you begin. That enables Volte on the network side. Once done, make sure your Vivo Y21 is updated to the latest system build so settings match carrier options. Open Settings and tap SIM card and mobile data to access the SIM you'll use. Then enable mobile data and confirm the SIM is in SIM1 if required. This prepares the phone to show Volte options in the next step. Now you'll locate and turn on the actual Volte toggle. In Settings, select SIM card and mobile data, pick the active SIM, then look for an option labeled Volte, HD calling, or enhanced 4G calling and switch it on. If you don't see it, tap access point names and reset to default first. Once the toggle is active, make a test call to confirm the Volte icon appears. If it does not, restart the phone to ensure the network negotiates the new capability. Finish by placing a call while on 4G and watching for the Volte or HD voice icon. This confirms success. If the icon never appears, reset network settings and system settings to clear potential conflicts, and then reboot the device. Make sure to check SIM placement and that no data saver or VPN blocks network registration. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm they have provisioned Volte for your number. They can push settings or reprovision service remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.